What's up, you guys? As you can see from the title of the video, today we're going to be talking about 4 methods of creating passive income with as low as $100. So prior to us getting started, would love for you to take a second of your time to subscribe for the channel and like the video. So passive income, what is passive income? Everybody talks about passive income. Why don't we get to the bottom of it today and pull up passive income's definition? So passive income is a type of unearned income that is acquired with minimal labor to earn or maintain. Did you guys hear what I said? Minimal labor. So you cannot just go to bed, wake up in the morning and expect that you're just making money. You need to put in some labor. As we all know, money does not grow on trees. Well, or does it? So let's start with stock dividend. What is stock dividend? Everybody talks about stock dividends. Let's make it easy. Let's think about one of the top companies in the world, which is Pepsi. So Pepsi is a very, very big company where you could invest into it, become a shareholder, and become an investor in that company. What you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and purchase the stock of Pepsi. So once you purchase the stock of Pepsi, let's assume you put $1,000 into Pepsi. Pepsi pays you for your investment a quarterly or a yearly dividend. That dividend is purely passive. Aside from the growth on the investment that you have made, you are going to continuously receive dividend from that company. So let's assume Pepsi's dividend is 1%. So for each $1,000 that you're gonna put into Pepsi, you are going to get $10 quarterly or yearly. It's gonna depend on the company. Some of the top companies that you could invest in are Pepsi, AT&T, Walmart, or Verizon. These companies pay a very high dividend, higher than 1%. For example, AT&T believes up to 6% in dividend. And you can go ahead and do the math. This is purely passive. You're just gonna put your money once, you're gonna sit down, and it's gonna generate that passive dividend yearly or on a quarterly basis. However, once you put $1,000, you made the 5%, now you're gonna be making the $50 a year. Of course, you're not gonna be able to go on a fancy vacation or purchase a very high-end vehicle. However, this investment is a purely passive investment, which is number 1, stock dividend. Now let's get to number 2, real estate crowdfunding. What is real estate crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising many small amounts of money from a huge number of people. So there are going to be a lot of people that are going to put money into a project. Let's assume it's a hotel, a single family home, a multi-family home, a strip mall. There are all these investors are going to put their money into that project. That project is going to get built, remodeled, rehab, it's going to be rented, the project is going to start cash flowing, and you're going to start receiving your dividend. The beauty about this investment is you're not going to have to manage that project, you're not going to have to collect rent, you're not going to have to do any kind of construction, rehab, or none of that. You're just going to invest into the project and you're going to start receiving yearly dividend. There are a lot of companies that do crowdfunding. One of those companies is Fundrise, and you could start investing as low as $10. So you could go ahead, put in your $10 and you're going to start receiving dividends based on the amount of money that you put. Common sense, the more money you put, the more dividend you're going to be receiving. Let's talk about the third option, which is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an arrangement which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated by its referral. So I'll give you a live example. Today, I am using a camera I have purchased from Amazon. I could go ahead, sign up for the affiliate marketing program with Amazon, link my camera in my description and ask you to go ahead and purchase that camera. Once you go ahead and purchase it, I will be receiving commission from Amazon. As I mentioned in this video, I will not be linking anything in the description. I'm not working with any affiliate marketing websites. All what I need to do is deliver value and not sell you anything. I'm trying to deliver value, make you learn how to make money with as low as $100 in your bank account without making anything out of you. So this is the third option. A lot of people had asked me in the past, to be able to be successful in affiliate marketing, I would need to have an online presence. Isn't that true? Well, no, that is not true. I personally know a lot of people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars on a monthly basis without having any online presence through an affiliate marketing program. So there are a lot of different methods for you to be able to make money out of affiliate marketing without having the online presence. So if you have that stigma in mind, I'm not gonna be able to be successful in affiliate marketing, nobody's gonna be able to buy my products, nobody's gonna know who I am. This is not true. you could still make a lot of money. Well, does online presence help? Of course. Of course it does help. If you have an online presence and you have an audience, of course they're gonna go ahead and purchase your products, and this is gonna help you out a lot. If you guys are interested, I could create a new video on how to create your affiliate marketing program step by step without having any kind of online presence. Where'd you get the links, what kind of links to get, and where to promote these links, and how to make money. If you guys are interested, drop a comment down below. I'll go ahead and create that video for you. So now let's go ahead and talk about the fourth option on how to create passive income, which is YouTube. So a lot of people would debate that within YouTube, you need to put a lot of work, putting your setup, purchasing the camera, purchasing the mic, editing your videos, spending a lot of time to be able to have a great video. If it's gonna work, maybe if it's not gonna work. Is that passive? Is that not passive? A lot of people have these questions, and I would say if you have worked very hard on your channel and you're being very, very consistent and your content is valuable and people see value within your content, down the road, your videos are gonna continuously generate income for you. I'll give you a live example. This video is my second video on YouTube. Now the video is posted. I don't have to go back and edit the video. I would not have to go back and do anything to the video. Now the video is posted online. And by my hard work and my consistency to continue producing more content, hopefully within the next 2 years, I will still be generating income out of this video if you guys find the value in my channel. So as I mentioned earlier,
hit the subscribe button and like the video.
So by that way, I'll be able to continuously generate passive income from my YouTube video. So these are the 4 methods that I wanted to share with you guys today. If any of these methods stood out for you and you would love to learn more about it, if you would want me to create a full video on how to do it, example, stock dividends, real estate crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, YouTube, on how to be able to make money out of those avenues in specific, I would love to go ahead and create these videos. Just drop a comment down below and I'll go ahead and create that video for you. And this is all for me today, but before I let you guys go, I want to share with you the tip of the day, which is the following. No matter how slow you progress or how many mistakes you make, you're still way ahead of everybody that is not trying. So keep pushing hard, keep seeking information, and keep seeking value and knowledge. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm out.